Today, we're going to be creating some Bounsweet pancakes. Bounsweet is this cute little Pokemon. It is based on a mangosteen, which is a fruit that looks like this. We're going to be making our project out of air dry clay, mostly. Here's the plan. We're going to make 4 pancakes, so we need flat, round circles of clay. Every stack of pancakes needs some butter. I cannot believe that isn't butter. We also need to make the Bounsweet, so we're going to be making her out of separate parts to make it easier to paint. Bounsweet consists of a round sphere with a flat bottom. We will poke in some eyes and a mouth. There will be 3 white balls for the fruits underneath. We will make the stem and the 4 leaves on top. We will also give her some tiny feet underneath. This is air dry clay, so once you're happy with the shapes, we leave them out for a few days to dry. Alright, it's been a few days. Time to paint. First, let's paint these pancakes. I'm going to be using a couple shades of yellow, a little brown, and a bit of white for the highlights. Next, we paint Bounsweet. Here's a nice purple with a bit of red, a bright green, and then white for the fruit balls. Carefully paint the eyes yellow. Now, we use hot glue to stick all of the pieces together. Stack on those pancakes. Bounsweet! For the syrup, we're going to be using some UV resin. I added some ink dye to the resin to get that nice gold syrupy color. Not enough. More gold. Voila! Syrup gently glooped over the pancakes. We cured the resin with a UV light. Then we needed the source of the maple syrup. So I took an old glass vial.
It's vial.
No, it's file.
Vial.
Let's look this up. Okay, turns out we're both right. Anyways, we added some resin, added some yellow ink, mix it all up, let it cure, and there we have it. Stack the cute little pancakes on the plate, add Bounsweet, get some flowers from the garden for a little extra pizzazz. And now for glamour shot.